Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have Italo jewelry. Hi you guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a little review for you. Italo jewelry reached out to me and asked me to do a review of a couple of their items, and who was I to say no? So I did a little research and I was pleased with what I saw. I feel like it's good quality, and they have worldwide shipping. It was fast to get here, and it's customizable in size and things like that, which I sincerely appreciate because you guys know I have tiny wrists and tiny fingers. So it is difficult for me to find jewelry that fits properly and comes in small enough sizes. That's been a lifelong struggle for me. Okay, so let's talk about Italo jewelry. We're gonna open up this box. There are 2 items in here. I'm so excited. Comes beautifully presented. I mean, look at that. Gift giving season is here. There you go. Okay. So the first thing in here is a silver cleaning cloth. The jewelry is sterling silver and it is plated. Okay, then we have a little paper here, that index card that lets you know about the care of your jewelry, polishing, taking care of it, cleaning it, that type of thing. So that's here. And then this is their 1-year warranty. So we stand behind the quality and craftsmanship of our jewelry. Italo jewelry offers a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defect. So that's nice, a 1-year warranty. And then they also have a card here about their exchange policy. Return and exchange conditions. Items returned without authorization will not be accepted. You have 30 days to return and exchange items, and they must be in the original condition they were received, not altered, and that type of thing. So their 30-day warranty here, or excuse me, 30-day exchange policy here. And then here is their sterling silver certificate. So there we go. Okay, so let's get into the best part, what's in the box. So you have a little bag here in case you'd like to do some gift giving with the bag. That's nice. All right, isn't that pretty? Okay. So here's the first item. Are you ready? I'm so excited to see this. Now, you guys know, I'm gonna make you wait a second. I lost the diamond in my engagement ring a few years ago, and since then I've sort of been playing around with engagement rings. My husband offered to replace it with something beautiful, and I declined. I really prefer good quality costume jewelry. I'm really not one who wants to wear or purchase expensive jewelry. Honestly, I'd rather travel or invest that money in my home or a memory. That's just really what I prefer. That may not be for you, but that's what I prefer. So jewelry like this makes me very, very happy. I can wear it, it won't discolor, it won't turn, it won't, that type of thing. I'm not interested in that. So it is a little more expensive for something like this, a nicer quality, but you can wear it with confidence and you don't need to worry about it turning your finger green or the gold flecking off or anything like that. So that's something I really appreciate and a requirement of mine. So here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, please be focused. Let me pull in a little bit. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I know it's much more blingy than I normally wear. I know that. But isn't it fun? So I really wanted something bold and way out of my comfort zone, something I wouldn't ordinarily wear. Why not? I just think it's so beautiful. Okay, now they did custom size this for me. It is a 4.5. Now I'm taking off my wedding rings. I'm leaving them right here. I intend to wear my red wedding rings with it, but I'm just gonna slip it right on my finger. Oh my goodness, look at the sparkle in that. Oh, wow. That is going to reflect some light for sure. Look, it has the little diamonds down the side and then down on this side as well. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the sizing off of here. All right. Oh, isn't it? It's just beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now, yes, it's quite large. It is. But it's fun. It is so fun and so beautiful. Now, some of you may prefer a diamond. This is a white sapphire, and that makes me very, very happy. As you know, I don't take off my jewelry. I shower in it, I wear it all the time. Now, the care instructions don't exactly permit that, but I will be doing that because that's just how I prefer to wear my jewelry. I don't want to worry about taking it off. Again, that's why I said I'm pretty particular about, I'm pulling up the website here so I can give you all the details of this specific ring. All right. Now this one is the golden 6-prong round white sapphire engagement ring. So pretty. I just think it is beautiful. It is just absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna bring it in one more time for you. Look at that sparkle. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. I know. Now, let me put it on with my anniversary band and my wedding band, because that is how I will wear it. It's not scratchy, so that's something I really like. The diamonds along the side here are not scratchy along my other fingers, which is something I have found in some rings. The way they are set, the little stones are set, they are scratchy, but they're not. This is very, very smooth. That's gorgeous. And it matches my wedding set perfectly. There we go. This metal is sterling silver, and it is nickel free. It's a white sapphire, and it is a 4-carat total weight, and it weighs 5.55 grams, and it is a round cut diamond, or white sapphire. So it's quite beautiful. Quite beautiful. Currently, the current price is $137.15. So I will leave this one linked for you in the description box. I'm also going to leave a couple of other ones that I really, really like as well, and am considering as a later purchase. They are having a great sale right now. I will leave a link for you that will get you 20% off. I don't get anything from that. That's just for you. Okay, now let's get into what's in here. I am so excited about this. They have other options, not just rings and engagement rings and things like that, but they have other jewelry options, and we're gonna go over that in just a second. So here is this. Now in here, oh, look, it's a tennis bracelet. You guys, this is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love this. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. It's not overstated. That's just the way it's laying. It's not overstated. It's so beautiful, perfect for everyday wear. And that was what I wanted it for. Everyday wear. I'm not gonna take it off. That's just kind of how I am. 7.1 grams, 5.5 carat total weight, 18 centimeters, and it is rhodium plated. And it's sterling silver rhodium plated. I'm sorry, it was not clear. And it is white sapphire princess cut diamonds. White sapphires. I keep saying diamond, it's white sapphire. So pretty. And it was custom made for me. Because again, I have small wrists. So if you have small wrists or large wrists, whatever you happen to need, they can cater to you. So there we go. And you see the clasp here. It's the clip clasp. Just like that. You can see the clasp there, and then you close it and it snaps and locks it in place. Okay, so here, slide this right on me. Easy to clasp by yourself. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Now, you see it fits me perfectly. Oh, I just so appreciate that. So I got it to, whoops, what? It's telling me to stand up. I got it to wear with my Apple Watch. I need to adjust the sizing on my Apple Watch. It's gotten quite large on me. But I have this silver band from from Amazon, and I wanted something that matched it. That's really, really pretty. I wanted to be able to wear it with my Pandora bracelet and that type of thing. I just don't want to have to take it off. And that's just sort of how I feel about jewelry. I mix metals all the time, you guys. I don't care. Rose gold, gold, silver, copper, bronze. It all looks good together to me. So that's just me. I am a rebel when it comes to fashion. So there we go. Isn't it beautiful? Look, you'll just sparkle from the wrist to the fingertips. You'll just sparkle. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so very quickly, let's hop over to the Italo website. The engagement rings, so you can see there's so many options, so many options. And I really sincerely appreciate this. And if I could go back, like if I could have found something like this when I got engaged many years ago, I would have loved to have purchased a ring like this instead of the expensive set that we purchased. I would just much prefer something. I know we just lost everything. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna show you the gold rings because I have gold. I have a gold set, so here we go. There we go. Beautiful. All the different options you have there. So we can filter it down. I just really appreciate that. Now we can also go to wedding bands. We can look at all the different wedding bands. They have sets, excuse me, just the wedding bands. Then they have the wedding sets. Let's go to that. We look at wedding sets. Okay, there you go. You can see that. And they do also have different tones. They have black, rose gold, silver, two-tone, and yellow gold. So you have lots of options. Here is just the jewelry. Those are bracelets. See, you can see different tennis bracelets there. Beautiful. They have gold, different stones. Just beautiful. Really, really like that. All right, let's look at the men's. They have rings and cufflinks. So there you go. Beautiful. And then here is the ships in 24 hours. These obviously would be less customizable, but if you have a straightforward size, you see something like here, you can take advantage of fast shipping. Ooh, look at those beautiful little studs right here. 4-prong classic studs. You can get them starting at $74.93. You can actually get them for less. You know, the more you buy, the more you save. Those are really, really pretty. Okay, let's look at the holiday gift guide. The different options. Just some choices there for the holidays. There you go. Oh, ooh, 99 and under. Oh, I may have to visit this section. Some beautiful pieces here. Absolutely beautiful. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. Everything will be linked for you in the description box. I will also try to remember to link everything for you in the first comment. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.